Good morning to all the judges of NCSE 2020. My name is Devesh Pathak from class 10th of Government Excellence High Secondary School, Venkat number 1. As we all know, all the idol statues of Ganpati is made up of plaster of Paris, and which does not decompose that easily. When all these statues are visurged in water, it does not decompose easily and also harm the uh, organisms living inside the rivers and ponds. And the paint over it is consist of chromium, aluminium, and sometimes copper also, which dissolves in oxygen, dissolves in water, and becomes toxic, and all the organism which consume it will affect it is affected by it affects their health. So we have made a project of biodegradable statues of idols that is less harmful, that is less harmful for our health, and also for the environment, as well as all the organisms living inside the rivers. It is made up of the normal material that is used in our kitchens, and it is also edible. That can be consumed by all the organisms living inside it. Also, the cattle roaming besides the rivers can also consume it. Will does not affect their health, and it will also helpful for our environment and for the water pollution. It will be less harmful for all these things. And we have made it only by the edible products that can be consumed by every organism inside the water. And if it cannot be consumed by, then it also consumed by the roaming cattle or besides the rivers. So it is consists of the maida and milk, normal edible oils, and it has no extra paint, not extra paints of any harmful metal. It has only a normal it has a normal turmeric powder, normal turmeric powder, which is not that harmful in comparison of other metals such as chromium and aluminium. So it can be an option for the idol statue. Except of plaster of Paris, we can use this material to made it, and it will be less harmful for the environment and for the sustainable living of all these environmental all these organisms. It is also beneficial for the water pollution, and it will also reduce the water pollution and soil pollution. And also it will decrease the level it will also decrease the it will also reduce this it will also reduce the death rates of the aquatic lives, organisms, and fishes. And it will not that affect the gills of fishes. And it will be more efficient way of making idol statue that will more helpful for the environment and the nature. Thank you.